I'm Emma, Assistant Manager at Halifax Holiday Park.
I'm Lisa, Housekeeping Team Leader.
And we're recruiting for our Guest Services Housekeeping role. So the team here at Halifax is really engaged. I find that at the moment with Lisa and her team, they're very happy to be here. They're reliable, hardworking, and they really encompass everything that we're looking for in our next candidate. So no day looks the same. What we are requiring our new candidate to do is really get involved and just take leadership well from Lisa, just to get onto a few extra tasks throughout the day.
We pack the buggy with sheets and our stuff for the day and our cleaning bucket. Our daily tasks are required are making beds, cleaning bathrooms, kitchen, dusting, working as a team and working on a rotating roster.
It's a 20 to 38 hour per week role. It's across a 7-day rotating roster, which means there are some weekends here and there. It's not a set sort of system. Start and finish times do vary each day. Then normally from an average, maybe 7:30, 8 o'clock, and then we move on into finishing times. We try to keep it to 1, 2 o'clock, but again, varies.
I want someone really hardworking, reliable, ready to be a team player and happy to engage with your team. You have to have nice relationships with the guests and answer any questions and provide them with anything that they like.
So we've got a really beautiful team. So it's just about adding to that and just doing what we do best. We're already really successful. We just want to continue moving forward and being more successful.